guys, there is a peacock over there. I am looking forward to a peacock. And this is the forest railway. Wow, look at the peacock. It's such a beautiful peacock. And I couldn't believe it. There's a forest animal just over there. See? And look, this railway is big. Did you see it? Did you see it? It's so pretty. And look, the railway. I'm very impressed of the forest here. I didn't believe there would be a gigantic peacock over here, which is so pretty. See that the nature can make anything. I always wanted to see a real peacock by a railway, and my dream come true. But not in a railway, actually.